Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Trello affiliate content calendar, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board that contains your affiliate content calendar. Click on the specific list that you want to update or add content to. To create a new card, click the Add a Card button at the bottom of the list. Enter a descriptive title for your new piece of content. Click Add Card to save it. Select the card to open it for more details. In the card window, add a detailed description of the content. Include deadlines by clicking on the Due Date button. Set the date and time that you plan to publish or promote your content. Assign team members by clicking on Members and selecting the relevant individuals. Add labels to categorize your content for easier tracking. Click on Labels to choose colors and names that reflect the content type. Include attachments by selecting Attach File to add relevant images or documents. To provide a checklist, click on Checklist and add items that need to be completed. Adjust the card's position by dragging it to the correct location. After making your updates, ensure all changes are saved automatically. Repeat this process for any additional content you need to add. If you need to update existing cards, click on the card and modify details as necessary. Communicate with your team through the comments section for collaboration. Review the entire calendar periodically to keep everything organized and up to date. Utilize Trello's calendar view to see all deadlines visually. This can help you manage your schedule and make necessary adjustments. Regularly revisit and revise your content calendar to reflect changing priorities. Keeping your Trello board updated will help streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.